figured out my son-in-law's Christmas presents today. I won't be needing that mess of tie-downs anymore now that I found a pair of these from Rhino USA. So these are a 2-inch, 10-foot ratcheting strap. The hooks have little safety bails so they won't be falling out of place. No more throwing the hook across the bed. Just pull it out and hook it up. So now that the front is attached, we got all this slack. Just simply depress this button, reel in the slack, ratchet it tight, and you're good. These things have a working load of 1,000 pounds and a breaking strength of 3,000 pounds. As before, just reel in the slack and tighten it down. This kit comes with 2 saw straps. They actually have a loop nut tied properly so that you can cinch the strap around your motorcycle handlebar or anything you need to trailer. Also comes with this nice little carrying case. Get yours before they're gone.